Today I'm gonna show you the Transformers playset from Play-Doh. It's called Autobot Workshop, where cars roll in and robots roll out. Here's everything that comes in the box. 4 modes, tools, workshop, and 4 cans of Play-Doh.
Autobots, transform!
First, let's make a Camaro car using orange Play-Doh. Just place the dough inside the mold, close it tight, remove the excess, and there you go, you just made a car. Now it's time to transform this car into Bumblebee. Place your car in the workshop platform and change the mode to Bumblebee. And just remove the excess dough and you're done. Now let's make Optimus truck using blue Play-Doh. Again, just place the truck in the workshop platform and change the mode to Optimus.
I am Optimus Prime.
And best of all, with this playset, you can also transform your Disney Pixar Play-Doh cars into Autobots. Let's make Lightning McQueen. It's time to transform McQueen into Bumblebee. Here's Italian racer Francesco Bernoulli. Autocar, transform! And this one is the French racer Raoul Sehul. Thanks YouTubers for watching this video.
I am Optimus Prime. Let's burn rubber. We make an outstanding team. Rescue us! Go to the rescue!
Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna make some popsicles with the Scoops and Treats Play-Doh set and ice creams with this colorful dough set. First, let's see what comes with this dough set. Roller, tool for the extruder, mold for the ice cream cone, part for the extruder, the other part, playmat, white dough, pink, red, yellow, and brown dough. Mold for the popsicle, knife, and 2 popsicle sticks. First, we're gonna make here a strawberry popsicle. Now we're gonna put the little stick right in the middle and press. We just made here a strawberry popsicle. Let's decorate this popsicle a little bit. Our popsicle looks so good. Let's make another one. This time it's gonna be red, yellow, and pink. And now we press. Wow, this popsicle looks really good. Time to make more popsicles. This time we're gonna use the mold from Scoops and Treats and Play-Doh. Let's make a blue popsicle with colorful sprinkles. Now we press. Remove all the extra Play-Doh. And we made a blue popsicle. Now we need the colorful sprinkles. Ready to decorate the popsicle? Wow, this popsicle looks so good! Time to make another Play-Doh popsicle. Popsicle stick. And now we press. Remove the extra Play-Doh. Let's give this popsicle a marshmallow topping. Now it needs a little color. Looks so yummy. Now let's make a rainbow popsicle. To make this popsicle, we're gonna need all 7 colors of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now let's make our popsicle. The first color is purple. Now indigo. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. And red. Now we're gonna need a popsicle stick. And we press. And we just made a beautiful rainbow popsicle. Let's remove the extra Play-Doh. Wow! I love this rainbow popsicle. This other popsicle will be purple and yellow. Popsicle stick, and we press. Wow! I love the purple and yellow combination. Let's make a green popsicle with a heart on it. So first you just make your regular popsicle. Popsicle stick. And now we make the heart. You put it on top of your popsicle and we press. And look, we have a green popsicle with a heart. Came out super cool. Let's make a different popsicle with some leftover Play-Doh. And let's see how this comes out. Popsicle stick, and we press. Wow, really different. Let's just remove the extra Play-Doh here. And our popsicle is done. Let's make a blue and pink popsicle. popsicle stick and press. Another great popsicle. Now for our last popsicle, we're gonna make it blue with stars on it. Popsicle stick and press. Now we just need to make the stars. And now we press. And our new popsicle is done. Well, let's just make one more popsicle, and it's gonna be bubble gum. We need here a popsicle stick, and we press. Remove the extra Play-Doh. And there we have a bubblegum popsicle. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector. These popsicles look absolutely delicious.